If the front AC is freezing but the back is dead silent, we need to trace the power to the rear blower motor. Most Traverse owners find that a simple resistor failure is the culprit behind a non-responsive rear fan. Before you start tearing apart the interior panels, let's run through the diagnostic checklist. Always start with fuse 44 under the hood to rule out a simple power interruption. The resistor is the most common failure point, especially if the fan only works on high speed. You will find the blower assembly tucked behind the plastic trim on the passenger side of the cargo area. Compare these symptoms to decide if you are buying a $40 resistor or a $100 motor. Doing this yourself can save you over $200 in labor costs at the dealership. If you have power at the plug but the fan won't spin, the motor itself has likely seized up. Grab a basic socket set and some plastic pry tools to keep your interior looking factory fresh. Don't skip the harness inspection. A melted plug is a fire hazard and will ruin your new parts. Now that you've got the air flowing again, stay cool out there and subscribe for more tech tips.